It is indeed a privilege to make this presentation titled Economic Tree Planting, the Cheapest Solution to Climate Change. My name is Joseph Oguntala. I'm a field agronomist and a consulting partner to Willow Empowerment for Grassroots Development. Today's presentation will highlight the following points: what causes global warming, why restrict planting a powerful solution, why particular attention is drawn to oil palm planting as a remedy, and of course, we'll be talking about this conclusion, why we should adopt this method. Let's start with the causes of global warming. You agree with me that our use of fossil fuels such as coal or gas to generate electricity, run our factories, run our transport, power our industries has increased tremendously over the years. And these activities are daily releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, causing serious climate change. Apart from that, another factor that has contributed keenly to this problem is deforestation, the process of felling trees in the forest. You agree with me that all green plants take in carbon dioxide and they release oxygen for our consumption during the process called photosynthesis. What happens when trees are cut down, or when they are burned, or when they are allowed to rot? The carbon stored in them are released into the air as carbon dioxide, and this causes global warming. As you can see in that picture, the result will be that our globe will now be hotter. On the average, we are 1 degree warmer than it was before the Green Revolution, causing devastating effects on our climate. Why do I agree that tree planting is a remedy to this problem? Let's consider these facts. Fossil fuel burning and fires emit about 11 gigatons of carbon per year, research has shown. And forests, fields, grassland, oceans absorb only about 6 gigatons of this carbon. 11 minus 6 is 5. That means we have a deficit of about 5 gigatons that go into the atmosphere annually, and this must be trapped only if more trees are planted. So the excess carbon dioxide that is warming the planet now can be reduced when tree planting is taken seriously. It is interesting to note that the idea that trees can help limit global warming has been discussed in the 2015 Paris Climate Agreement. And happily, most countries now include this as part of their plans to reduce the emission of these greenhouse gases. But here is the big question. Since forests must be felled before you plant economic trees, what justification does the establishment of economic trees have compared to the forest when it comes to reduction of greenhouse gases emission and increase in carbon uptake? Let's talk about this. We'll be giving attention to a very interesting economic tree called oil palm. Why particular attention to oil palm? The reason is because oil palm's greenhouse emission reduction is higher than the forest. According to the works done by Hansen in 1999, PPKs 2004-2005, it is estimated that each hectare of oil palm plantation has a capacity to absorb 64 tons of carbon dioxide and produce about 19 tons of oxygen each year for our use. You can see that in the picture below, on the table here, for the 2.4 from tropical forest, but 64.5 from oil palm plantations. And look at the volume of oxygen released into the atmosphere, 7 tons from the tropical forest, and about 19 tons from oil palm plantation. So this is going to be a huge benefit for us. The idea is if we spend money to plant oil palm, we're going to reduce the effect of greenhouse gases in our climate, And in addition to that, the economic value will lift many smallholders above poverty level and preserve their human dignity. And I am sure that that is what your organization would like to be known for. Thank you.